Hi guys, it's Lonni. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2024. I'm still behind on some videos, so I still have 2 more storing videos before I upload my end of 2023 photo card collection, so look out for those. I wanted to start off this year with one of my ults, which is zerobaseone. So I did order their season's greetings. I ordered their season's greetings off Subcase Shop, so I did receive the Apple Music pops, as well as I did order their mood light because I thought it was so cute and I really wanted it. We are gonna start with theirs. I did order a couple more season's greetings, but they're sitting at my K-Addy, so I just need to ship all that out to me, but I probably won't get it until like the end of January, early February. If you enjoy K-pop videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on my bell notifications, and let's get started. I'm sorry for the glare, but first I'm just gonna go through the Apple Music pops. I've already seen them, so I already know they're so cute. It's the first one, Cuban, and then the backs of them, they all look like this. So I'm just gonna show the back once. But these are so pretty. She's cute. Those are super duper pretty. I'll definitely say Matthew and Jiwoon probably have my favorites, but I'm excited to store these in my binder. We all know like OT9 stan. We're gonna open the actual season's greetings first, and then we'll open up the mood light last. So the season's greetings box, I'm gonna try and get the glare out. It looks like this on the front. It's so cute. And then this on the back, and then there's nothing on the sides. Let's see, take everything out the plastic and stuff first. This looks to be the desk calendar. Super cute. I love this concept that they did. I think it's so adorable. So this is the yearly calendar. Yeah, zoom in a little bit more, but this is the yearly calendar. We start my birthday month off with Hanbin, and then they have Gonuk's birthday on here. Cute. This is a cute photo of him. This is February. I swear Hal takes some of the cutest photos, and I think he already knows that too. And then it has Eugen's birthday on here. Next we have this unit photo of Ricky, Eugen, and Jiwoon. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, we have Matthew. Then we have quite a bit of birthdays. We have Zeta, so our birthday. We have Ricky and Matthew's all in the month of May. We have Tere, that is such a cute photo of him. We have Hanbin's birthday in June. Okay, all these photos are so cute of them. In July, we have their debut day. Oh my gosh, I could cry. Their debut day, we have Tere's birthday and Hal's birthday all in the month of July. We have this unit photo of Gyubin, Hal, and Gunuk. We have Gyubin's birthday in August. Speaking of Gyubin, these pictures are so cute. I'm excited to display this calendar. We have Gunuk. So cute. Literally adore him. We have Eugen. Cute. And then lastly, we have December. And then we have, of course, Jiwoon's birthday. That's cute. I like that. Next we have I believe this is like the calendar planner diary. So of course we have the yearly and for 2025 in here. And then like the monthly calendars. So yeah. All of the monthlies, and then there's some photos in here. The photos. Trying to avoid the glare. These are some really pretty photos. Super cute. Ricky's photo with the glasses is really, really cute. Oh, and they have the unit photos. That's so cute. That's cute. And then we have the weekly calendar and notes. Cute. Oh, and they have just like blank pages. I think I might actually use this. I usually never use mine, but I'll use this. Oh, there's more photos. Oh, it has their routines in here. That's so cute. I'm sorry I'm not doing a lot of talking. I'm just observing as well. Because this is so cute. And it's my first season's greetings of 2024. And it's their first, so I'm excited for that. Oh, their pictures are so cute. So that's the diary, and I like it that it's not like hardback like a lot of them. It's like flexible, so really cute. And it has like snowflakes engraved in it, if you all can see that. Oh, and it's in the front and back. It's the smallest things in life, literally, for me. This is the photo book I believe it comes with. Get it this way. Okay, cool. I love these individual photos. Those are cute. Oh, it's like collage. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's throughout the year. Oh my gosh, this is Youth in the Shade. I can't. So yeah, this is Youth in the Shade. Or are these like archived photos? They are. I swear their debut just means so much to me because I did watch Boys Planet from beginning to end. And their debut is literally one of my favorites ever. Like, I listened to them so much in 2023. It's so cute. Oh, we have Melting Point. I love this. They're too cute. I love how they did the same pose. This is the bag. That just made me so emotional. Next, we have this like calendar poster. And then, sorry I have to do this so that the glare won't really show. But yeah, that's really cute. I actually want to hang this on my wall. This is really, really cute. Adorable. Next we have these like premium photos of them. So the backs all look like this. I'm just going to show it once. So these are cute. High quality. I'm excited to store these. So I actually got them a Prism Platinum binder, the purple one, to put like miscellaneous like cards that I have, or extra cards, pops and stuff that I pull of members who probably aren't in my top 3, or sets that I'm not collecting OT9 for. And I hope these fit in like 1 pocket pages, because if so, I definitely store these. And funny enough, the binder that I got them was the like lilac purple one, was the Constellation binder. So I'm excited for that. That's cute. We have this envelope. I think it's like a message card. So it looks like this. The back.
밤이 깊어갈수록 난 네 생각에 빠져들어. 네 곁에 머무는 생각은 뭔지, 네 방을 채우는 노래는 뭔지. 손을 잡고 말해주고 싶어. 네 얼굴을 그려보며 노래해. 너의 너의 밤에는 무엇이 가득한 건지, 오늘 네 하루는 어땠었는지. 너의 밤이 늘 좋은 꿈으로 가득하길. I wanna know. I wanna know. 모두 다 알고 싶어. 오늘 하루도 수고 많았어. 편안히 잠에 들길. 흔한 밤 인사지만 내 마음이 너에게 닿길 기도해. Good night. I wish you good night.
That is so cute. Next, it came with these standees of them. Super cute. Of course, like always. Oh, I wonder how can I store these? Like in 2 pocket pages, possibly? I'm literally obsessed with their season's greetings. This is just too cute. Okay, next were these premium photos. I'm really not going to show the backs because there's like a QR code. They have QR codes in the back. I'm not too sure what they're for until I like scan them, but these are cute. It's like a little fan call with them. That is cute. Oh my god, Ricky. This is definitely giving Cuban, like, yes. These pants, I'm sorry. Those pants are really cute. The Maknae, and he's so cute. Lastly is what most people buy season's greetings for, which is the photo cards. So we have these. These are so cute. Those are so cute. James is adorable. These are cute. I love these. I love collecting OT9 sets. Like, I enjoy it so much. These photos are really, really pretty. Yeah, collecting OT9, I literally love it for them. Cute. That was everything for the season's greetings, like, actual box. Now I'm going to open up my mood light, which I'm excited to use. So. Oh. Literally, when I bought this, I didn't even know it came with photo cards. That is so cute. Okay, so the base. Whoa. It's like this glass ball. Wait, can I flip it? Oh, that is so cute. It says goodnight. You can see my ring light. Like a little floating bed too on there. There you go. That is so cute. It's like glass too. It's not plastic, so I'm surprised they didn't really wrap that up, but you know, whatever, I guess. It's definitely padding in here though. The base just looks like this, has settles and then zero base 1. It's like a USB adapter. I'm gonna see if I can connect it really quickly. Hold on. Funny thing is, I'm plugging this into my computer. That is so cute. Wow. This is so cute. I'm glad I got this. I should go, there's a little glare so you can see it a little more, but that is so cute. Wow. Alright, so like I said, it came with photo cards. I did not know, but here we go. I love that we can see Hanbin's tattoo. such cute cards. I already know they are. Oh, that's a cute Matthew card. I swear, they just know how to take selfies. Given is so adorable. These are so cute. Sorry for the glare, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This season's greetings is so cute. I love the concept. It's just too adorable. Look out for the rest of my season's greetings. Like I said, they're still at my K-Addy, so I have to ship them to me. But I did order 17, of course, because they are my ults of ults. I ordered New Jeans with Seraphim and Wavy. Did I need all of those? No, but those are all the groups I like, so look out for those. I recommend, if you don't stand zerobaseone, go listen to them, check them out. Amazing music. Their personalities are hilarious. They are super duper funny. Check out all of their content. It's amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.